Hello and welcome back to your own channel Career Swami, which helps you with your career journey. If you like what you see, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive future updates. Also, our Hindi channel Career Swami Hindi is available where we upload career and education related videos every day. So if you are someone who love Hindi and want to enjoy career and education related videos in Hindi, do subscribe to the Hindi channel. Thank you. Friends, we did a video 3 days back on Wipro who has started benching their employees in Pune campus. If you haven't watched the video, I would advise you to watch the video first and then come on this particular video. We also received numerous comments on that particular video where people told us that not only in the Pune location, but Wipro has been doing this across India at various locations. As you can see, one person has talked that he is affected and billability has been changed even in a project in Hyderabad. Also, someone talked about the time period which employees have once they are on bench, band wise. So if you can see, if you are on band 1, it is 6 months. If you are on band 2, it is 2 months. If you are on band 3, it is 1 month. So Wipro seems to be doing this across all locations in India. Now please proceed with this video to understand what is government's action, what action has been taken against Wipro. So now you would have understood that leading IT company Wipro benched around 300 employees during this lockdown phase. After Wipro did this to the employees, Maharashtra based IT union NITES, which is National Information Technology Employees Senate, has complained about this to the Pune Labour Commissioner. And based on that complaint, Labour Commissioner had issued a notice to Wipro. The letter states that Wipro BPO, which is located in Pune Phase 2 Hinjewadi, has benched its employees starting 23rd April 2020, and due to that, jobs of 300 employees have been put at risk. This letter also points out that this is a clear violation of Maharashtra state government's and also central government's direction, rules and regulations, where the Indian government has asked all the organizations to be sensitive towards the people. The letter sent by Labour Commissioner also instructs Wipro to take necessary steps, else legal action will be taken against them. Now, what is Wipro's response on this particular topic? Wipro's CFO, Mr. Jatin Dalal, has revealed that the company's condition is worse than it was during the 2008 global financial crisis due to the unpredictability. So, Wipro feels that the condition which we are having now due to coronavirus is much severe even than the 2008 global crisis. Also, Saurav Govil, who is Chief Human Resource Officer in Wipro, has said that we will look at if people can go on furloughs and leaves. For guys, if you are not aware of furlough term, furlough is leave of absence and these are usually done at mass level. So Wipro is also considering steps of sending the employees on leaves. We also did a video earlier in which we talked about various organizations reducing subcontractor costs. Wipro is also among those who is planning to reduce the subcontracting cost, which is quite some percentage of the overall cost. Wipro has also issued a statement in which Wipro has said that the benching issues is unfounded and has no basis. Wipro categorically denies all these malicious rumors. So Wipro has denied all this development, whereas this is something which is very much happening across the India, as we have showed in the comments to all of you in our previous video. This is a developing story, guys, and this is something which will continue for longer. We will bring you the updates as soon as we get any updates on this particular topic. Please keep on posting the comments. Please help us be updated on this development. So what do you guys feel about this news? Do let us know in the comment section if any one of you is impacted in any organization. Please share the video, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. So guys, we did a survey on what's more important for you. Is it money, happiness, friends and family or career? Majority of the people who have voted feel that friends and family is the most important factor for them. Next is happiness, followed by career and followed by money. Some of the people had very interesting comments on this topic as well. We thought that it would be interesting to publish the results of the survey in the video, as it will help our subscribers and you to understand the pulse and what other people are thinking. So when we post any surveys, please do participate in those surveys to get good data. Also, if you have any ideas on what kind of surveys we should do, don't hesitate to let us know. We wish and hope that we come out of the current difficult anytime soon. Thank you for watching and best of luck in what you are doing now or what you would like to do. Friends, we have launched our new book with the title Cracking the Job Interview. This book can convert your rejection to success at job interviews. The book will benefit any present or future job seekers across any industry and domain. The book is available across all countries on Amazon. Also, you can read this book for free by subscribing to Kindle Unlimited trial. Please check out the description for more details. Thank you once again.